Hi.
Hold on, I'm gonna get in trouble for wearing these. Oh well. We're going to eat dinner. We're coming.
Y'all should see our video.
Zachary.
Chicken nuggets.
Hi. Hi, Mom.
Okay. Okay, do you want salad?
Hey, I did this in a play once. I'm like, hi, Mom. I'm cleaning. Did you hear me?
Whoa. Do you want salad?
I have a small thing for it,
Hello. Really? Yes, I
It
love
might be
salad.
poisonous.
Okay, how about you? Do you want a salad?
No.
Seriously?
I want some Kool-Aid.
Seriously?
Yes. I want some salad, please.
No, okay, seriously.
Seriously, what? Oh, my pants? I'm pretty stylish, I am. Can you get me a cup, please? My hands are full.
Potatoes.
My hands are full. Hey,
That's all.
boom, boom, boom. Hey, that hurt your fingers, didn't it?
I didn't know what the hell.
Hi, Miss Laura.
Here's for your salad.
Hi. Hey, I'm
Here's
the
for
vampire.
your salad. I'm making some nuggets.
I was putting the video on Miss Laura and she put her napkin on her face.
Don't get too all of y'all
This
want
is
me.
how it is at my house. It's very
chicken
fun.
nuggets.
What? Yeah, I'm taping me. I'm taping myself. Yummy.
Okay, chicos.
I see her here.
It smells delicious.
Mine and Jonathan's favorite color is both purple.
And my favorite color is blue too.
What? You like me.
He's with me. I said blue and purple.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah, can I cut it?
4,
No, I'm
Say hi.
Jonathan, just one straw.
7.
I'm getting it ready for you.
This is yummy.
It's my phone.
You see me?
I think it is one because I'm the only one who hasn't given up his phone. My phone. Jonathan, Zachary, here. If it's my phone that you want, then take it.
I eat it.
Zachary.
Where is the ring?
Zachary.
Shine on the ring.
I eat it all.
You want to get up there?
Hello.
I eat your phone.
It's pretty hectic in my house, but you know, it's fun.
Found it. Arthur, can you get him some pink juice? Of course.
But it's Venice, but
Sorry, no more pink juice. Here's it's in the back of the orange juice. Oh, I see it, girl.
I
found the pink juice.
It's actually a
I
smoothie.
found the straw. It's a sword.
That's not a sword.
Yes, it is. Ours like a pop juice.
Have you been
Wait.
texting people?
Is that okay?
I'm going to go.
It's fine, I'm not giving you
He
pink
called 222.
What else did he do?
Hold on. It's my phone.
Hey, what's up, Bo? What's up? Are you glad school's over for now?
And that's all. He didn't do it.
For like 2 seconds.
It's over for a couple of days. It's over for like 5 days.
That's right. Mommy put a little bit of meat because you wanted chicken nuggets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's mine! Big head.
I get that on tape.
Look at her head.
Ew, no, don't show her. I already showed her. Ow, my arms
Jonathan,
are
stop.
sore.
That's
Only
really
put
This
you a
is
little
seriously?
bit.
No.
Because I'm getting you chicken nuggets, right? Okay.
What? This is all my dinner. It's cold.
It's how much I eat in here.
Hey, are you going to complain or are you going to be happy that you have food?
I'm happy that I have
That's
food.
what I thought. Hey, you know what? Y'all wouldn't have been complained when I called y'all a long time ago. When
We were working on our video.
Lindsay didn't call us like 2 minutes ago. No, I called y'all.
I want to say bye.
Bye.
Ugly.
what Jonathan said.
Bye.